Let's implement a rectangle class and full functionality and event handlers for it. Let's create folder entity, and inside of it we will have class shape. But shape will be not an class, it will be interface with a few fields and 4 methods. So first field is rectangle group. In rectangle group we want to have shape, text and maybe some additional icons together in one group. The type is SVG element and then basically SVG shape. I created another variable for it because only this SVG shape will have own event handlers. And now methods for getting coordinates. Implementation will be in a concrete specific class. Get y, then cover event listeners, and each of shape will have delete shape method. Now I will create folder shapes, and first we start from rectangle. And this class will be inherited from shape. Implements, shape. Let's implement all methods. Additionally, for rectangle, I add text. I didn't add it to SVG shape because shape can be as SVG text also, and SVG text cannot have member text. In a constructor, I'm going to create SVG group for rectangle group, then create a SVG rectangle shape and gather it in rectangle group. I added util methods for work with SVG. So first of all, create SVG rectangle. It will create SVG element rect, and this is basic attributes. Later it can be changed in properties views, but by default it will have width 300, height 200, x, y 200 pixels. Fill color is green, opacity value is in the middle, stroke line is black, and the width of stroke line is 3 pixels. For creating circle, the same strategy. It is creating circle element with radius 50. Coordinates of the center is 200, 200. Fill in at the moment without color. Stroke line blue, and width of stroke line is 3. The same for arrow. This is some method for appending child to element by ID. Creating of SVG group. These methods I'm going to use in rectangle constructor for creating rectangle group. And this is helpful method for creating SVG element with a specific object of attributes. So next you will see how to use these methods. Rect group, SVG util, create SVG group. Let's import this class. So we created a group. Next we have to create SVG shape in rectangle class. SVG shape is rectangle. So create SVG rect. Next I'm going to add SVG shape to rectangle group. Then we have to add rectangle group on our canvas. I'm using method append SVG to canvas. ID of our SVG canvas is canvas, and what we want to add is this rect group. And before we add, or it can be also after, we want to cover event listeners. Let's check what we are going to get after we will create instance for rectangle class. Let's go to canvas component and on methods create rectangle. We will create new rectangle. So now we will open the browser, update the page, click on rectangle button, and rectangle is appeared. But now we cannot move it, rename it, or resize it.